Hey everyone, friends. I'll show you how to fix the no SIM card error on your iPhone. First off, try simply removing the SIM tray and putting it back in. There. You can also try restarting your phone. If that doesn't help, go into Settings. Go to Reset. To do this, open General, scroll down. And here, tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset and select Network Settings. Right? Or just search for Reset. Transfer or reset device, yeah. Same thing, we need the network one. There, reset network settings. Got it. Or you can reset all settings completely. Next, if that didn't work, check for system updates. Go to General Settings, tap Software Update, and update to the latest version. That's it. This has been Channel Name. See you all later.